welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for the support. Today we will be doing some turkey neck, my favorite, well, one of my favorites, but today we're going to be doing it a little bit speedy, nothing too long, keep it simple. Well, don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay tuned, don't want to miss it. 25 now. Alright, so here's my turkey neck. It's just me alone, so I'm cooking a small amount. And these are my seasoning and my vegetables that are going to be added. I have sweet pepper, hot pepper, onion, garlic, ginger, Irish scallion, carrot, scallion, and I have all-purpose Cajun, black pepper, salt, and I also have a little bit of meat seasoning right there. So we are going to combine those together and we are going to prepare a beautiful dish. I almost forgot my pimento. So now we're going to cut these in half. If they're too big, I like to cut them in half so it cooks faster and it's more tender after I'm finished. So let's get ready. Alright, so the turkey neck is going to be taking a little while to cook. So go ahead and put on your kettle, turn it down at low heat so it starts to boil. You want that turkey neck to continue to cook at the same temperature, so you're going to be adding hot water constantly, not cool water. Alright, so turkey neck has a lot of bone. Everyone knows that, right? So I like to get all my seasoning down in the bone. As you see, I have my garlic. I chop it very fine. I also did the pimento, the ginger. I chop everything very, very fine. So all that season will marinate in the bone. So as soon as I start to eat, I don't have to be biting on any pimento seed or any garlic. That throws off the taste, right? So I'm cutting these as fine as I can. A little tip: when you are chopping hard stuff, for example bones, you don't want to use the tip of your knife or in the middle. You try to use right here where it's more firm and you chop it to save your knife from damage at an early stage. Use right there. So now I'm adding a little bit of black pepper and I'm adding my meat seasoning. And I'm adding a little bit of Cajun. And now I'm adding a tip of salt, maybe just 2 pinches of salt, because you're going to be constantly adding water, so you don't want all that flavor to come out of it. See? Alright, so I put that aside for about 15 minutes to marinate. So now I'm going to prep my vegetables. A bit of oil to the pot. You don't need a lot. Then add your custard. Alright, so now I'm going to be adding my turkey neck one at a time. Make sure your pot is well hot. So now we're gonna go ahead and stir that until it's brown. So in this container, I'm going to add my vegetables. Alright, so while I'm turkey neck there on the stove, I add a little liquid to this, a little water, to my vegetables. So I'm leaving this here to marinate by itself. It's almost like making stock. When you're making stock, you don't use hot water, you use cold water, and you leave it there until it starts to, flavors start to come out on their own. Plus I'm going to add a little bit of ketchup to this. Alright, so me now, I don't like to add things to the pot. I like to use one stone, kill two birds. So while that's cooking, I can just have this mixture put down, and the flavors will eventually come out by itself. It cooks faster.
Lord of mercy.
So it's the road boy.
What's your name,
I
private?
don't know. OEM style.
MC, OVP,
Reggaeton.
Dreadlock Rasta.
Big.
You want to go ahead and turn this up to medium heat. Bubble, bubble, papa, bubble, bubble, papa, bubble, bubble, papa, bubble. There you have it, guys. Jamaican turkey neck. Well, that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you guys learned something. Please remember to like and subscribe and leave your comments in the comment box below. Thank you guys. Have a nice day.